Then now, as he was able to know that nothing has been left, he have been just thinking what happened ahead. We'll see. At last, by starvation and famine, made bold, all dripping with wet and all trembling with cold. Away he set off to a miserly ant to see if to keep him alive he would grant. So at last by starvation or famine made it bold. Now here it is said that starvation of mind, that means अब वो सोच रहा है कि starvation मतलब भूख से मरना एंड famine मतलब कुछ ना मिलना. ओके, there is a difference between both. उसके कारण अब उसने खुद के लिए सोचने के लिए एकदम वो बोल्ड हो गया. All the dripping with wet and all trembling with cold. That means the winter has taken the health, उसकी health भी down जा रही है. He is trembling, he is shivering, वो उसके कारण काँप रहा है because of the cold. Away he set off to a miserly end. Now finally he found that he want to go out and he want to meet the miserly end. That means he want to went ये miserably जो उसकी condition हुई है वो ants के पास ही जाके he can solve, because ants are very hard working, they always work for themselves, right? So finally he was feeling that he should go and set to a miserly ant, that is the wise ants, उसके पास हो जाने के लिए सोच रहा है. And to see if to keep him alive he would grant. That means to keep him alive, to make him alive, that as he was not having any food, no proper place to live, and he was trembling because of cold, dripping wet, गीला हो रहा है और मतलब बहुत सारी अब उसको सब सिचुएशन उसकी लाइफ में दिख रही है, तो उसको ऐसा फील हो रहा है इफ दैट वुड बी देन हेल्पफुल, ends are there for me to help me there. Okay. Now he was in want of what? Him shelter from rain and a mouthful of grain. He wished only to borrow, he would repay it tomorrow. If not, he must die of starvation and sorrow. Here he says that I just want from him what he wants from him shelter from rain, that is as the snow rain is been coming, snowfall हो रहा है. Okay, that rain is very difficult, उसके कारण ये गीला हो रहा है और ठंडी के मारे वो काँप रहा है. he is trembling from the cold, he was getting wet with the rain. Okay, so what he needs the shelter from the rain, from, and he is asking for the shelter so that he can be safe inside the place. And a mouthful of grain, that means he just want जितना उसका पेट भरे. Okay, उतना ही mouthful of the grain was been required by the cricket. He wished only to borrow and he would repay it tomorrow. So here he is telling, so this is the cricket, he is pleading the ants that you just give me as in borrow, as you are giving me loan, just give me that and one day I will return you, I will give you, repay all you back. If not, he must die of starvation and sorrow. And if he is not been able to give this all things, उसको ये सब चीज़ें प्रोवाइड नहीं हुई है, then surely he is going to be dead because of the starvation. Okay, because of not getting food and the sorrow, उस दर्द से, उस दुख से he would be dead. So this is the 4th stanza explanation to you of this poem.